Publishing additional listings to a Vrbo account, once it's been connected to Guesty, is a simple and quick process, so let's see how it's done. Start by selecting Growth Mode and then click Distribution and Vrbo. Select the relevant Vrbo account and then click Publish Listings right here. Choose the relevant listing from the dropdown or search for it by typing its nickname, title, or address. Keep in mind, if the listing is set up as a multi-unit, you'll need to publish each subunit separately to ensure that the listing's availability is reflected correctly in Vrbo. Guesty will validate that the listing you chose meets Vrbo's requirements, so if an error notification appears, click here to update the listing settings accordingly. When done, go back to the previous window to select the listing again from the dropdown, tick this box, and click Next. In this window, enter a description of the property and its size. Choose whether guests' booking requests will make a quote and hold or an instant book. Specify the minimum age required to make a reservation at your Vrbo listings. This is the minimum age of the guest making a reservation, not the age of guests allowed to stay at the property. Choose whether you'd like to use a specific cancellation policy for this listing, or your Vrbo account's default cancellation policy. Next, decide whether you'd like to use your Vrbo account's default payment methods, or choose the payment methods for this listing specifically. It's recommended to select more than one payment method to provide guests with a few ways to pay. When done, click Add to Channel. And that's it. The listing will be published to Vrbo within up to 3 business days. You can always go back to the account to check the listing status. Once it's approved by Vrbo, the status will change from pending to connected. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.